Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a traditional recipe. We're gonna make the eggplant with the tomatoes. It's very old. This recipe is a traditional. This is not Americanized, you know. This recipe is very old, very authentic.
How do we know that your recipes are authentic?
What do you mean? How do you know it's authentic? How you gonna say you know it's authentic? No question.
Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to make this eggplant Parmesan sandwich. You got to fry your eggplant first. What I do is I soak them in salt water overnight or for a few hours during the day, and then you let them dry out. Then you deep fry them. And they should be fairly crispy. You want to salt them as soon as you take them out the deep fryer, just like French fries. You got these fresh cherry tomatoes. You want to crush those up by hand before you cook them. That's what I'm doing there. And it's real important that you do that because you're only going to cook these for about 5-10 minutes. So you're going to get your chili pepper, your garlic, your basil. Go ahead and mash that up. We're going to put some extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Go ahead and start with the chili peppers, get some flavor going on those. And then we'll add the garlic in. Make sure you don't burn your garlic. Eggplants in there. We're going to add the basil at the very end. You don't want to cook out the flavors. Go ahead and throw these tomatoes in there. That's why you do it like this. Sprinkle a little salt on there. You want to try to avoid using the spoon because you'll mash up your eggplants pretty easily. So, alright guys, holy moly. I toasted my bread in the pan with whatever oil in the dish. I'm going to use a spoon to kind of make a moat. Some Parmesan cheese. Yes, sir. Cheese. We'll just go crazy with it. Put some of this, because that's how I get down. Finish it off with some more. Because that's how I get down. And that's that, dude. This thing had a few minutes to cool off. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Oh man. Que bello. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your recipes. I make very much loving cooking. Many more recipes I am making for you. I promise you like. I hope you like this one. Subscribe, like, share the video.